What's good? It's your girl Cherish, A, Cherish, A. Ain't no stopping when you poppin', and I'm back with another video. So today, I was able to get this brand. It's a beauty from Aloette. I'm so thankful that they gave it to me. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
Anyways, let's get to it. So they gave me a choice to pick, and I chose the exfoliating gel and the hand contour. So we're gonna try the hand contour first, and see how it works. Cute, y'all. Look at that. Oh, come with a little seal. So the hand contour is supposed to reveal visible and smoother and softer, more vibrant looking hands. This is an advanced formula for anti-aging. Look, I'm 30. I still look young, but it never hurts. It never hurts to use anti-aging stuff. Or like moisturizers, you know? Yes. I like the way it feels too. It smells citrusy. Yeah, it smells citrusy. I wonder, does it have that in there? So that was that, y'all. And this one is exfoliating gel. Says to massage all over your face. I don't have on any foundation or anything, as y'all can see. I just got on lipstick and eyeshadow and the brows. But we just gonna, it's a peel? I don't know, I might have to take my lashes off, y'all. So this is supposed to like remove dead skin. It's just, I was about to say some cuss words, but I'm working on me. Y'all. Yeah, it's supposed to remove dead skin, hydrate you, and relieves dry skin. I got eczema, I got dry skin, so perfect. Yes. That smells really good. I like that. Ooh. I don't understand, but you know, it said it's supposed to do its magic. We'll see. We'll see. You know, the first thing that goes like wrong when you get older is your neck. It's like you can always tell somebody, you know, a little older by their neck. Please don't break my face out. Please don't break my face out. You know, I got sensitive skin, so I don't know. But it feels nice. Like a cool feeling. Yeah, that's what they gave me. If you guys want this, want to try it, put the link in the description below so y'all can try it. We'll let it sit for a little bit and see what it do. But yeah, I like the hand one, and this feels good. So you want to buy it, buy it. Anyways, that's it for this video. It's a short video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little